I'm Todd from MarineMax in Panama City Beach. This is a NauticStar 251 hybrid. Come on aboard, let me tell you about the boat. At the bow, we have a good-sized casting platform, a beach ladder, a wonderful anchor locker, easy to access, a fishing seat, huge platform for laying out, and foldable backrests. Behind the helm and under the large hardtop, there's a storage box, a 12-inch multifunction display, easy to access controls, switches, and a very comfortable helm seat that converts to a leaning post. At the back of the boat, we have a complete bait station, freshwater sink, tool holders, plenty of rod holders. This is a great feature, makes fishing much easier, and is very unusual in a boat of this size. And here we have a huge casting platform, room for another fishing seat, an easily convertible bench seat, and a Yamaha 250 SHO for great performance. Those are just some of the great features of this boat. Come on down to MarineMax in Panama City Beach and check it out for yourself.